you're seeing here is a 35-ton chilled water air handler that has frozen and busted the entire coil. It's an old, believe it was a Schneider General, or no, it was a McWay. The big kicker here is it's mounted over an elevator shaft. You can see on the left here is all the pipes, all the main pipes for the rest of the mall, and on the right is a block wall. So there is no fixing this thing. It had to come down. The first thing is to remove the drop ceiling and all the grid. Here's the secondary pan coming down. After this, the next thing we had to do is disconnect all these controls. Freeze stat, motor controls, you know, all of that thing, all the chilled water, hot water. The key is to remove these controls and disassemble as little as possible so that you can easily put these controls back on there. There's no schematics, there's no cabling diagrams. This was all custom. Has a control panel down in the basement, old Siemens controls. Here you can see me having to pound the drive cleats out of the ductwork, which was always a joy. At this point, we're still hoping to reuse some of this ductwork. We definitely had to reuse the mixing box. Here we're pulling the mixing box down now. You can see the OA dampers up inside there, and that's what froze in the open position in the middle of winter and destroyed this unit. So as this thing sits, it's somewhere around 1,800 pounds. The coil section alone was rated at about 1,000 pounds. Here we're lightening our load by dropping the blower motor. Not that it makes much of a difference. Here we had to get some sprinkler fitters in here to remove a section of sprinkler pipe.
It, right?
Yeah, great.
This next bit is like a little bit finicky. We had to secure the unit with come-alongs. We did this by making a cradle out of unistrut, doubled up unistrut. And then this way we could lower it. We don't want to drop this thing on the elevator. There's like elevator gearing and stuff up there. see us putting in one of the cradles. It's just two pieces of strut bolted together with two eye bolts on either end. We had one on each side. It's pretty finicky getting this thing to lower down all evenly.
It's pretty loose there. You want to put a little more pressure on that?
Yeah, I did. There.
Okay.
It seems tight.
Here you can see just how we did this with the 4 come-alongs.
All right, Noah, go ahead and start cranking her up.
And here we go. This is how this all is gonna come together here. Is we hoisted up a 22 or 23 foot aluminum I-beam, and you can see here we gotta get this thing up over the top of the unit, and so it stretches out off the side of the elevator. This beam alone costs about $1,200.
All right.
Start going?
Yep.
Yep.
that's it. Lower it to the ground, cut it up, take it out. A hard job, and I couldn't have gotten it done without a good group of hardworking guys. Thanks for watching.